Welcome to this quick guide on how to see the number of likes on an Instagram carousel. If you're anything like me, you love using Instagram to share your favorite moments and stories, and carousels are a fantastic way to do just that. But sometimes it can be a bit tricky to find the engagement metrics for these posts. Let's dive in and explore how easy it is to check the likes on your Instagram carousel. First things first, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see your feed filled with posts from accounts you follow. Now, find the carousel you want to check. It could be one of your own posts or someone else's. Carousels are easily recognizable by the little gray dots underneath the post, which indicate how many slides there are. Once you've located the carousel, tap on it to open it fully. Now you'll see the post in all its glory, with the ability to swipe through each slide. But to see the likes, you don't need to swipe through anything. Instead, look at the bottom of the post, where you'll see a few icons. There's the heart icon for likes, the speech bubble for comments, and the paper airplane for shares. Next to the heart icon, you can see the count of likes. This is where Instagram displays how many people have liked your post. It's straightforward and easy to find, right next to the icon that represents likes. You don't need to do anything special. Just glance at the number, and you'll know exactly how many likes your carousel has received. It's worth noting that while you can see the total likes for the entire carousel, you can't see likes for individual slides. The likes are aggregated for the whole post, which makes sense since it's treated as a single unit by Instagram. That's it. Checking the likes on an Instagram carousel is really that simple. Whether you're a casual user or a business looking to track engagement, this is all you need to do. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate Instagram with ease. If you have any other questions or need more tips, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Happy posting!